Hello, today I'll show you how to import Kali Linux into VirtualBox. First, open a browser of your choice and navigate to the official Kali Linux download website. You can find the link in the video description. Here we click on the Virtual Machines field. Here you can see different types of downloads for virtualization programs. We're downloading this one for VirtualBox. I've already downloaded it, so let's move on to the next step. Now we open the folder where we downloaded Kali Linux. I'm moving the file to the Documents folder. Now right-click on the file and then click on Extract All. Double-click on the Kali Linux folder. We select the first file. Now we can start the Kali Linux virtual machine. We select the first option, Kali Linux GNU. The default username and password after download are both Kali. We open a terminal. Now enter the following sudo apt update. Here we enter the default password Kali. Let's upgrade the system with the following command, sudo apt upgrade. Enter Y for yes. We have now successfully imported Kali Linux into the virtual machine and upgraded the system. If you'd like to see more on the topics of Kali Linux, online privacy and anonymity, and encryption, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.